As part of our research, we interviewed Dr. Yao, an economics researcher at the International Monetary Fund, who has written papers focusing on the effects of climate change on sub-Saharan Africa. Dr. Yao used a novel approach to the question of how climate change affects electricity consumption. He explains in his paper that many developing countries are understudied in this respect due to a lack of data. To overcome this problem, Dr. Yao used an easily accessible proxy for electricity consumption to analyze the relationship between temperature and consumption. The proxy he used was based on a very strong correlation between electricity consumption and light observed at night. When a country requires more energy for their heating and air conditioning needs during the day, there is an abundance of cheap electricity at night, resulting in an increased use of lighting. Nightlight can be observed from satellite imaging, making it a perfect proxy for studying the relationship between temperature and electricity consumption. Dr. Yao found that this relationship resembles a U-shaped curve when graphed with temperature on the x-axis. This graph tells us that for places with an average temperature lower than that of the vertex, or below about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, their electricity consumption will actually decrease when temperature increases. This makes sense because those places are spending the majority of their energy on heating rather than cooling in the first place. In contrast, anywhere with an average temperature higher than 60 degrees Fahrenheit will face more electricity consumption as a result of increased temperatures, as air conditioning requirements ramp up. Additionally, due to the concave nature of the graph, countries with a hotter climate to begin with will experience the biggest increase in consumption.